Have you ever wanted to cook a pork loin on a pellet grill, but you just weren't sure where to start? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cook a delicious pork loin on a Pit Boss pellet grill. Hey guys, I'm Sam from BBQ. If you're already subscribed to the channel, thanks heaps, I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy barbecuing and smoking, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything and you won't miss out on any future videos. And now let's get into the video. Okay, so the first step is cleaning up the pork loin. I'm going to remove all the skin and any of this hard fat, because that stuff just doesn't seem to cook properly and it's just not nice. So we'll get rid of all that, just cutting it off. Now this pork loin is about 2.5 pounds or 1.2 kgs. Be a lot less obviously by the time I cut all this fat off, because there is quite a bit there. Once you've taken that skin off and any of that hard fat, just grab your favorite pork rub. Today I'm using the Cully's exotic pork rub and just sprinkle it on your pork. This rub's really good on pork. It's got quite a spice to it and it's got a bit of sugar in there, so it creates a nice bark. Make sure you do both sides, put plenty of rub on there. Alright, that looks good. Now for my loin, I'm going to also wrap it in bacon. So I've just got some streaky bacon here. I'm just going to put it over the top. And then I'll fold it underneath. And I'll just pin it in place with a few toothpicks. Just make sure that bacon's nice and secure and isn't going to fall off while it's cooking. So once that's all done, we'll take it out to the grill. Now I'm going to cook the pork loin at 160 degrees or 320 Fahrenheit for about an hour to an hour and a half until that internal temperature is 75 degrees or 167 Fahrenheit. So once the pork loin has hit the internal temperature that we need, we'll bring it inside, take the toothpicks out, and then we'll cut into it. So you can see that bacon's already crisped up. Really good. Little tiny bit of a smoke ring around there. Not much, but at 160 degrees the pellet grill's not going to put out a whole lot of smoke. Look at that, cooked all the way through, crispy on the outside, just the way I like it. So that pork loin turned out absolutely delicious. The bacon was nice and crispy. The pork loin itself, really juicy. A little bit of that hickory smoke coming through. It was just awesome. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. As I say, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and then you won't miss out on any future videos. And we'll see you again next time.